Hey, good morning, First Southern, and welcome back to Take 5. 5 things that you need to know in the life of First Southern. First of all, October 31st is Halloween, and we are doing our annual trunk or treat. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. We want it to even get bigger this year, so we need to get you signed up. If you would like to put a trunk in our trunk or treat, we want you to do that. So go online, you can get signed up for that, and get your name on the hat. We can get you all fixed up for that. We're also taking candy donations. If you can't bring a trunk out, we would love to have some candy, and those we have a couple of places where you can do that. One is over in the preschool world, and the one is over in the bottom floor of the education building. If you could donate some candy, we would be very much appreciative of that. Trunk or treat, October the 31st. Hey, all right. October the 27th is our Run Well 5K. We've been talking about this for some time. Today is the last day to sign up if you want a guaranteed t-shirt size. We're going to continue the sign-up process later, but I can't guarantee you a perfect t-shirt size for you. So make sure you get signed up today if you're going to run with us. If you change your mind later, you can still run or walk, but today's the last day for t-shirt sizes. Get signed up today. It's $10 a person. It's $5 for people under 12. So come on out. It's going to be a great time whether you run or walk on October the 27th, our Run Well 5K. This Saturday night is our first Married Life event. It's going to be a movie in the park. We're going to show The Princess Bride. You're going to want to come out there and see that. It's $10 a couple. Not only are we showing a movie, but we're also going to have just a little time of marriage enrichment. So you're going to want to come out there, bring your lawn chairs, bring your picnic blankets, however you want to do that. Bring something warm. It's probably going to be nice and cool that night. We're going to have a great time Saturday night. Get signed up as soon as possible, and we'll see you out there at 6 o'clock this Saturday night.
Hey church, Dave McCorkle, been appointed chairman of deacons for this year. Great opportunity, thanks for that opportunity, but staff's away right now, and I got the opportunity to announce to you and want to share with you the ability to be part of the staff appreciation for this year. We weren't able to do anything for the staff last year, and we really want to recognize them in a special way. Next couple of weeks we're going to be collecting contributions in the life groups, but also if you're here in the service today and want to contribute, just designate that on an envelope, or you can give online and just assign that on the online giving also. This is going to be something we're going to recognize the entire staff at the end of this month, and we'd love to have you be part of that. Thanks.
Hey, now finally, we also have a new Twitter handle. We want you to get out there and follow us on our new Twitter handle. It's FSBC Bryant, just like our website. FSBC Bryant. If you're following us on FSBC, change that up. In fact, why don't you pull out your phone right now and follow us on Twitter at FSBC Bryant, and we'll see you there. We're going to put all kinds of announcements and great stuff out there. FSBC Bryant on your Twitter handle, and that's Take 5.